Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see if someone deactivated their Instagram account. So first of all, open up your Instagram application. On your Instagram application, you have to search for that account which you want to check to see if they deactivated their account. So for example, I will select this ID. This ID is a properly working account, but if it was deactivated, in the place of his username, you would have seen no user found. If you see no user found written in place of a username, then that means that this account is deactivated by their owner. One more method to check whether they deactivated their account or not is by following them. If you follow them and your request is not sent, that means that their account is deactivated. So that's how you can see if a person has deactivated their Instagram account or not. So that's all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.